Yogi clan, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. Today's video is going to be a quick one. It's gonna be a little bit of a safety tip. I used to do, what was it, Safety Tip Tuesdays? Yeah. So one of the things we as a crew used to do, when I'm talking about crew, I'm talking about the guys I used to ride with. Let's face it, sometimes riding a motorcycle can be a dangerous thing. So one of the things that we used to do was whenever we had a group chat. So if there's a group of guys you ride with often, you probably have a group chat, right? One of the things that we used to do was we would send each other or send to the group chat messages of when we got to somewhere or when we were leaving that place and heading home if we weren't together as a group. Really all it is something really simple. It's typing 3 letters, KSU or KSD. KSU meaning, hey, kickstands are up, I'm on my way to come and meet y'all. Or KSD, I made it back home. So if you're going for a group ride and everyone's supposed to meet at, I don't know, Cracker Barrel at high noon, and you're leaving your house, KSU. That way everyone knows you've left, you're on the way to the meetup spot. And then after you leave at the end of the day and you're heading home, just a simple KSD when you get home. That way, I know you've made it home. Or I know you're on the way to go meet up. That way, if you don't show up to the meetup, well, I know you've left. Why is he not here? Hey, there must be a problem. Let me go backtrack to his house and go figure out, you know, maybe you broke down. Maybe, Lord forbid, something happened and you're not able to use your cell phone and you need help. Letting people know when you've left or when you've gotten home kind of eliminates all of that. So there's a little safety tip for you guys. KSU, KSD. Let your peeps know when you're traveling, like for your best interest, you know what I'm saying? So there you go, there's your little safety tip for the week. Safety tip for a year, because I don't think I've done Safety Tip Tuesday in over a year. So there's one for you. All right, Yogi clan. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for joining. I hope you all have an awesome and a safe week. Keep that rubber down, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.